LED Troffer installation steps. First, cut off all the power by turning off the circuit breaker. Second, install the 4 earthquake protection T-bar clips on the mounting bracket. Make sure the clips are on tight. Locate the junction box on the back of the troffer. Unscrew the knockout plate. Pull out the 5 wires. The violet and the gray wires are for dimming application. Remove the ceiling tile and the ceiling tile next to the tile that the troffer is going onto. Put the troffer into the T-bar ceiling and attach the clip onto the T-bar. Make sure the troffer is secure. Connect the conduit clamp with the knockout on the plate and run the power wires. Wire all the input wires and the ground wire to the fixture according to the wiring schematics. Put the wires all back inside the junction box. Screw the knockout plate back onto the junction box. You should turn the power back on to make sure the troffer is working properly. And now you're done.